everyone, it's Monday, and that means it's time to tell you what's brewing at the Chamber this week. We want to let you know that we have modified some of our events in order to reduce the spread of the COVID-19. The city has postponed the State of the City address for the 25th. Please continue to RSVP for that event because we will let you know as soon as we get word on the new date. Our Lunch and Learn, as scheduled for Thursday the 26th, is still happening, except it will be a webinar. Sheila Eason from the Employers Association will present on unconscious bias in the workplace. We're pretty excited to have this as a webinar, so please take advantage of this opportunity. Go to our website to RSVP for that. Our blood analysis program with the Wood County Hospital is getting filled up. The proceeds from this event support the Chamber scholarships that we offer to high school seniors and collegiate students. So not only are you getting your blood work taken care of, you're also giving to our scholarship program. It's really a win-win. Our first quarter grant applications are due March 31st. You can request money for employee training programs such as human resources, technology, and management, towards the purchase of equipment, or it can be used to offset the cost of a BGSU Owens student internship. Who can't use free money for that, right? Oh, and don't forget about our new Eye-to-Eye program that offers discounts from one investor to another. You can find information about that under the Investor tab on our website. That about wraps it up. We hope you remain healthy, and as always, think BG.